Great Gadgets for Azure DevOps offers a variety of useful widgets for tracking your projects in a truly agile way. The Countdown widget helps you see the remaining time until an upcoming event by displaying a clock counting down to a specific date and time. For example, the time to the next project release or an upcoming company event. Add it to your project dashboard for quick access and visibility. Let's say you want to know how much time it is until the version release. Set the date and time for the upcoming event. In this example, we will choose September 1st as the release date. Enter the specific information you want to appear in the top and bottom lines. Click Save, and there you go. You have added the Countdown widget to your dashboard. You also have the option to exclude weekends from the countdown by checking Don't Count Weekends, and you can even customize how to display the time format, so you can choose to display only days and hours, for example. Install Great Gadgets and discover many powerful time-saving widgets that bring your dashboards to life.